Gusto mo bang magkapera gamit ang cellphone mo? Well, PH Taya ang sagot dyan. PH Taya is the leading gaming platform in the Philippines. Why choose PH Taya? Let me show you. Sign up now and instantly get 128 pesos. Download the app and earn extra 188 pesos, quick and easy. Invite friends to PH Taya and earn up to 68 pesos free. Don't miss our special reward days on the 8th, 18, and 28th of each month, with a chance to win a share of 300 billion pesos in rewards. Enjoy thrilling games like slot, fishing, and more at PH Taya. Plus, log in regularly to have a chance to receive iPhone 15 Pro Max rewards. Start winning today. Download PH Taya now. Click the link in the comments to register. And let's dive into fun and rewards together.
So, ganito lang mag-register. Ilagay nyo lang yung username nyo na hindi tataas ang 13 letters. Then, password. Kahit numbers lang, okay na yun. And then, yung tunay mong pangalan and cellphone number. And gagayahin nyo lang din yung CAPTCHA code. And ganun lang kadali and you're ready to go.